Okay, so today we're going to look at metacognition, which is thinking about thinking. Ah, that's crazy. Okay. Big idea, easy thoughts. When you read, you kind of have the mean old, nasty, cranky, what's going on bubble in your head, where you float off to what you did yesterday, or, what's for lunch, or what am I going to wear tomorrow, that type of thing. So we want to get rid of this guy. In order to do that, you need to actively think. Ooh, what do you know? That's the answer. So how do I stop drifting? You stop drifting by actively thinking. Now you're thinking, oh, that's nice. How do I actively think? I'm glad you're thinking these things. Well, you actively think by just getting involved. I'm thinking, I'm wondering, I'm picturing, pondering, reminded of, making connections. So if you make those like text-to-text connections, text-to-world connections, text-to-self, if you're making connections and actively engaged with the text, you're actively reading. Okay. I like math problems in language arts. I think it's fun. So let's say you've got text in front of you. Now, text doesn't necessarily need to be like a story. It can be a math problem. It can be just something in front of you that you need to get engaged with. And then you think. You don't just read it, you actively read it. You become engaged. When you do that, you get real thinking. Or that big word, metacognition. Real thinking. You're engaged with the text. It's you and the text. Your brain's involved. Okay? While you're reading independently, I would really, really like for you to go back to board 4, rewind, pause, and use those thinking stems to create some hot questions. Maybe you can use text-to-text, text-to-self, text-to-world connections too. So for your hot questions, use those stems.